I'll take a bite. It's still steaming, but I'll take a bite. What's up you guys, welcome back to another great recipe video. Today I'm sharing the mushroom curry, Karahi style. It's gonna be a comfort food. It's very easy to make. I have brown mushrooms. So let's get straight into the video right now. This is our stainless steel new pan from Cuisine. We will take sunflower oil and we will add at least 6 tablespoons of sunflower oil in our pan. We are working with the 2 pounds of brown mushrooms. Okay, once you add the oil, you will take whole onion, dice it, slice it, chop it, and add 1 whole onion right in your pan. Take a wooden spoon and just spread the onion so it cooks all evenly. You guys see that, how easy it is. Take 6 cloves of garlic, chop it, mince it, or process it. You guys need finely minced pieces of fresh garlic. So 6 cloves of garlic goes right there. So our onions and our garlic is getting ready. We will take the mushrooms and we will slice it just like this. In the market you guys will see the mushrooms chopped, but I would strongly suggest you guys get the whole mushrooms. They are packing a lot of punch from the inside, so you will get a good flavor for this mushroom curry. And just slice the mushrooms as I'm showing you guys. So the onions and the garlic are getting ready. We are slicing our fresh brown mushrooms. So guys, as I said, this is gonna be a comfort food. So here it is. We are almost there with our recipe. So this recipe is mainly we're gonna have mushrooms in there. Okay, so that's why we are focusing on the mushrooms, and all these dry ingredients and fresh ingredients which we are putting, they're gonna just help for our mushroom curry to pack a biggest punch ever. Did I told you guys these are 2 pounds of mushrooms? So mushrooms are vegetarian and we are working with the vegetarian curry recipe. Alright, so if you guys see, our onions are getting there. Wow, the aroma, right? The frying onion and the garlic together. This is the best aroma. So just make sure you keep stir frying the onions now, because the rawness of the onion is gone. Now it's getting onto the cooking part. So it's been more than 5 minutes. The onions, the garlic has been fried. So if you guys see closely, they are forming a perfect color. This is what we need. We will take half tablespoon of cumin. We will take half spoon of red chili powder. And we will take half spoon of the turmeric. Trust me guys, this is gonna be the best curry. Half spoon of coriander powder. Give it a stir just for 5 minutes and roast it with the onion, garlic and everything. So all these dry ingredients, this is the main secret. All these dry ingredients, they get roasted a little bit. Whenever you guys use any dry ingredient, make sure you guys cook it a little bit. So this is what we are doing right now. So it's been a couple minutes. All our dry ingredients are a little bit fried. I have a whole tomato sauce, a whole tomato puree. I'll add that. And on top of it, I have a tomato sauce. This is one whole of the tomato sauce. Let me tell you guys the quantity. So this is about 3.5 servings, like 3.5 tomato sauce. Make sure you use both. So at this point, all our dry seasonings, all our fresh seasonings are in here. If you guys see. Perfectly. I mean, the aroma I'm getting here at the moment is like the perfect smells, I mean the perfect aromas of the ingredients at the moment. So friends, it's been more than 5 minutes. The masala, the onion, the tomatoes, the garlic, the turmeric powder, the chilies, the salt, the cumin, they have been roasted. This is all what we need. You guys see the thickness of it? It's all gonna get there. Now we will take our mushrooms. We will add slowly all in here. They're all gonna shrink. All the mushrooms, if you guys see, they will shrink in size. But this recipe is specifically for 2 pounds of brown mushrooms. I won't disturb this too much at the moment. I'll take table salt. I'll add half spoon of table salt on top of it. Let me show you the ingredient. I can add water in there and I can get the same taste, but we have to make it a comfort food. Comfort food, it comes with a good taste. I'm using organic vegetable broth. Some people call it stock. So take the vegetable broth. For 2 pounds, you have to add half liters of it. 1 water bottle, just add 1 water bottle if you don't have the vegetable broth. But I will strongly suggest add a vegetable broth. So this is more than 70%, right? So all this process, right guys, use a medium flame. Since this is a vegetable, you don't need to have a high flame. High flames, a lot of chefs around the world, you know what they say, high flames kill the antioxidant in the vegetables, so use the medium flame. If it's a wok, you can do that, but we want the comfort food with all the flavors in it. So this is how it is so far. We will cover this pan full of mushrooms and all our seasoning I shared with you guys, and we will let it come to a boil for 10 minutes. So friends, it's been 20 minutes. I have checked in between 10 minutes, it was not done. It was having a lot of water and the mushrooms were not ready. So it's been 20 minutes after putting the spoon in and stir frying it. This is what you guys see. This is all natural, 100% vegan and perfect mushroom curry. Okay, it has to be a little bit saucy. All the 2 pounds of mushrooms, you guys see that? It's all shrinked. This is all we get. This is what we get. Alright, so let's move on to the next part. Take half of the lemon, squeeze half of the lemon in there, whole half lemon. It has to go in there. We will take handful of sliced ginger. We will add the ginger. Give it a mix. So all the lemon and the ginger. Turn off your stove. The cooking part, the stove part is done. We will take diced green chili curry, right? It's just a little bit. It's not the spicy green chili. It's just a little bit pinch of it. Take fresh mint, chopped, handful of chopped mint. Add that. The stove is off, guys. It's just the remaining part of the heat of the stove. I'll add half more of the ginger. After ginger, the mint and the green chilies. Take half spoon of the garam masala and just add a little bit right on top of it. We will take out our dish and I'll put it right here. This is the sourdough whole loaf of bread. I have cut it with my steak knife. So I have, if you guys see, this is a whole loaf. This is a whole loaf of our sourdough. Our fresh mushroom curry, Karahi style, is ready, guys. Everything in there. I'll take a bite. It's still steaming, but I'll take a bite. So the last one. You sure you want to record this, bro? Right out of the pan.